folks, and welcome to another video. So in this one I'm going to be having a look at a piece of software from 1999 created by the Bonzi brothers, and it is called Bonzi Buddy. Now as you can see here, it says it talks, it can help you with emails, browsing, laughing apparently, it can tell you little facts, help you with downloads, sing, schedule things, and of course search on the internet. So like I said, this came out in 1999 originally, and was downloaded a lot. A ton of people use this software. Unfortunately, in 2004, it was found that it was actually quite riddled with malware and spyware. Now, I don't think this was done in a particularly sort of dangerous manner. They were basically trying to sell advertising and whatnot, so they would scrape what you were doing online and then sell that information for advertising. But it was done in a surreptitious manner, and therefore people got angry and lawsuits were made, it was sort of ended in 2005. I think the website continued to 2008. But there is this website where apparently you can still get Bonzi Buddy with the old interface and whatnot. And I thought it might be interesting to download Bonzi Buddy now. I'm sure there was a lot of people around when this came out and have probably forgot about it, and of course there'd be people now who don't know even what Bonzi Buddy was, and that there were other things like this that existed at the time, but Bonzi Buddy was the biggest one. So let's go ahead and let's download him and see what we get. Oh, it says it can't be downloaded securely, so why is that the case? So they probably think he's spyware. Let's see. Let's try and do it anyway. See, Microsoft now say this is insecure software, but they will say that about a lot of different software that basically isn't downloaded from Microsoft Store or from Steam. This was the way, of course, that you would have got software back in the day. But let's go ahead. Let's give it a little scan just to see what's in there. Hopefully, it's not dodgy. Oh, let's see. That can go away. So maybe I could just scan it. And see whether it really is dangerous. Oh, apparently it didn't copy it. So let's see what this is. Perhaps it is actually dangerous. So it still identifies it as a virus. Yeah, potentially unwanted software. Yeah, so it's what? Let's see. Is it actually risky to install this? I mean, do you know what? I've got all my stuff backed up. Why don't we go ahead and let's just see if it is in fact as dangerous. So. Oh, Windows really doesn't want me to use this software, does it? Well, it would appear Windows really does not want me to use this bit of software. Yeah. Is it dangerous? Who knows? I mean, Windows seems to be hanging up on that window. Well, maybe that's just the end of this story. You just can't get Bonzi Buddy really to work on a Windows 11 computer. See, the stuff it was selling was never really dangerous stuff. But yeah, Windows seems to really not want me to use this. So I guess that's the end of it. You can't seem to get it to download and install. I mean, I could completely turn off Windows Defender, but there is, of course, a chance that this actually is malware. But I mean, I can show you here. This is what it used to look like. We did have it on our computer back in the day. I think there was one that was a penguin as well. Yeah, it looks like I won't be installing that. So I guess that'll be the end of this video. So yeah, that was Bonzi Buddy, and apparently Windows still thinks he is a dodgy little guy. Although, of course, they did remove all of the malware and stuff from this software, and that was verified. But there's a lot of software like that that is dodgy. So I think Windows is treating it as dodgy and won't allow me to use it, which is fair enough. It was only going to be for a little laugh anyway. But yeah, this is what he looked like, and he was very funny and sort of helpful at the time, maybe a bit. He's got all these different little animations he would do and stuff. Yeah, but there we go. That's the end of that. Well, a bit unsuccessful, but I hope you've enjoyed the video anyway. And please remember to hit that like button, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, check out my Patreon, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.